Morning's workout is inspired by a famous movie. We're going to get going very quickly. 6 steps to learn. So let's start. Heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, shuffle across. Heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, shuffle across. That's step number 1. Do it again. Heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, shuffle across. Heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, shuffle across. Second step. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, heel dig for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to do the other side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good morning. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Heel dig, heel dig, heel dig, heel dig. And I'm going to show you a different way to do that one. 1, 2, 3, turn 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, turn 2, 3. Heel dig all the way around. Boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3. This is number 2. 1, 2, 3. I only have a few more seconds to learn the whole thing. And then heel dig all the way around. Next step is a push. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 touches. Outside leg first, inside leg second. Push across. It's like a little run. Run, 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 run. Outside leg next. Inside leg. Next one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's a polka step. Skip, skip to Maloo. Skip, skip to Maloo. Watch the push. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Skip to Maloo. We're almost done. Kick forward. Kick, kick, kick. Skip back behind your feet. So a little teeter-totter here. Kind of goes back and forth. Kick, 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 kick. We've almost learned the whole thing. 3, 4, and then we're going to do a finish with a cakewalk. A cakewalk is just a bent knee, tapping to the front, jump it. Are we ready to put music on? I hope so, because here we go. That was the fastest learning segment we've ever done. Here we go. Shuffle it over. Again. Shuffle it over. Take it front. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Heel around. Then we're going to start the same thing on the other side. Push it. 1, 2, 3. Heel dig around. Little baby steps across. 3 touches. This is a great cardio workout. Oh my goodness. 3 minutes, I'm already sweating. Push. Push. Polka around. Skip to Maloo. Let's do that again. Polka. Skip to Maloo. 1, 1, 2. Kick to the front. And keep it stiff. Skip back. Cakewalk. Hold it there, and you can make it bigger if you have the energy. Small. Let's go from the top. How about it? Heel, toe. Faster. We're going to go faster. Breathe. Push. Bounce it. Ready. Right leg. Bounce it. Good morning. Heels around. Left leg. Shuffle across. 3, 3. Heel around. All the way we go. Stay on your tippies. One more time. Triple. Polka. Skip to Maloo. Kick it to the front. Skip back. Cake. Coming up. One more skip. Take it back. Cakewalk for the grand finale. You can turn it. Hello to your partner. Oh my goodness. Just follow along. Push it. I'm just doing random steps now. You got to follow me. Heel, Pony it up. So you can mix and match all the steps. Heel. Cakewalk. Finish it. Finish it. Oh my goodness. Here we go. That's your cardio workout for today. I hope you enjoyed third class dancing. Have a great day. See you on Friday for Flexibility Friday. Oh yeah.